We hated each other.
Too much hate weight. Like कौन है भाई?
He went to all my juniors, asking about how I am I single?
Spy kind of thing. I remember everything.
He remembers everything.
How can I forget my mistakes?
And
Oh.
you've seen that movie Guru Bhai Aaya Bache? Guru Bhai Aaya. You remember?
I remember everything.
He remembers everything.
How can I forget my mistakes? We met in Coorg first. Then we I pursued
2011.
in Manali. But that time my sister's marriage was there, so I couldn't pursue more. It was only just one day. I just touched and came back from Manali. But finally, I decided to, you know,
हटाना ही पड़ेगा मतलब. I
in
need.
Chennai because I have to settle now, boss. Last year of NBS, and it was so quick. I mean, to I guess June we were in conference. I proposed her. Next day I spoke to her dad. I mean, how it started. They met my parents and our parents. I mean, super high level.
They just met each
they-
other
they
and
didn't-
finalized it.
They didn't see. Well,
They
her
did not
parents
meet us
didn't
at all.
See me. Okay, only the photo. My parents didn't see her. Only photo. कि मियाँ बीवी राजी तो क्या करेगा खाजी.
They
That
didn't
was
even
a-
meet us, and
they
this is
directly
very
called-
untrue for a Marwadi family.
They directly called. I'm Gujarati Marwadi. Directly called me like, okay, आपका रोका है.
Come.
आ जाओ करके. So oh झटमंगे पट ब्याह जैसे हो
It's like, you know, you're meant to be together. You're meant to be together.
Smooth man, of course. I mean, we're mature, we're smooth. Both, you know, high.
I don't know about maturity.
I mean, according to her, I'm still immature.
Yeah, husband is a project. Like it goes on for a life.
And what wife is what then? What should we call?
Wife is somebody that you have to keep on praising. It's like, you know, it's like a flower.
हाँ इसलिए
Keep
तो
on
मेरा
keeping-
टीम जो ट्रेन हो रहा है ना प्रेस कर करके.
Oh, we hated each other.
Can't take her man. I mean,
We
too much
hated each other.
too much hate weight. Like कौन है भाई?
Because I was very studious, you know.
Hmm.
And he was like, you know, let's enjoy it, relax it. So it was a conference in Cool where we met first time. And there was instant not liking each other.
To be very frank, when I clicked, I mean, and she said I don't want kids. So yes. I want
And when we
sex
got
and
married,
sex.
that was our first priority because we both were workaholic, which we
Yeah.
realized later on that we are very, very career oriented and, you know, we wanted to work. So our idea was not to. At that point in time, we thought that, you know, having a kid would be burden to growth. Now we don't think like that.
Oh no. She's
Now we can have an
asset, yeah.
army with.
Yeah. We both love kids.
Yeah. Actually, see, we didn't have a dating period at all because, as he said, we went from conference to conference. We were never studying together.
Yeah, I mean,
And he started. I think you should tell the story. How you went to all my juniors. He went to all my juniors, asking about how I am I single?
so what? I mean, in my life, if I decide something, I do that. Whatsoever happens. So when I decided that I will pursue her, so one of my juniors friend was her junior. So I used to take him all information, which conference she's going, all these things. So spy kind of thing. बोलते हैं ना वो क्या everything is fair in love and business.
For a lot of period, I didn't even know which college he was in. Like from Coorg conference to Manali conference, we used to always. My friends used to call him, you know, "Tera Coorg wala chawa," because we had this.
We met in Coorg, right?
Yeah, we met in Coorg and so in the Coorg we almost like in the night when, you know, so in conferences we have dinners in the night, and that's when we actually clicked. Like, you know, we started speaking and we the hate had converted into just like, okay, okay, we can talk types. But he would not leave the sight of ours, so everybody used to call him Kurwala Chava. So
Basically, I mean, not shape kind of thing, but yes, मैं उसके पीछे थे, लगे decide ही किया था ना इसको पटाना ही है करके.
And by June, he had already proposed.
इससे अच्छी business partner मिलने वाली नहीं थी. Because I have all this in next 20 years also. I know what is the future.
You've seen that movie Guru Bhai आए हुए थे. Guru Bhai आए हुए.
Both are very good friends, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are friends first, and then business
Then-
partner, and then
then
last
last is
and
marriage, yeah.
husband and wife.
Yeah, so for us, it was never. So this was never a very forced relationship. I'll tell you very frankly. On the day one when I got married and I came, he had already told his mother that my wife is a working doctor and she is going to not do household work. So please don't expect. We'll keep as many maids you like, but mother, expecting her to go and work in the clinic all day and then coming and doing cooking and all of that at ghar ka kaam. So you don't expect that from him. So he was very clear as to, so as far as he keeps on joking about marriage and everything, when it comes to respect, I mean, touch wood, I'm blessed because he makes sure that even for his doctors, but especially for me, that your work, you've studied, you've given so much time.
I've seen a lot of doctors during this phase who are extremely, perfect. I mean, talented, everything. But because of not family support, they are not able to grow.
Yeah.
I knew that before. Okay, so it's not like that mom has to work. So we have a kept made because if you're earning well, why you should do this kind of work? So I guess this mentality is changing everywhere now. Okay.
But I'm talking about 13 years back when we got married. That's when.
But that's where we could build Author Square.
So that actually, we for us, it never became a professional and personal. We were always workaholics, and that's why we got married. And I think that has only translated into Ortho Square. It has translated into, happy marital life. Because we at one point, like, if there is a day that he wants to be like, doc, I don't want to do anything. If I am like, आज मुझे कुछ नहीं करने का मन कर रहा है, like please
Relax.
just rest
I will
it
do
out.
it. What's the big
Just rest it out for a day because he so works 30 days in a month. I work 28 days in a month. So there is no time for us to actually have a week off and enjoy anything. So there's a lot of things that as a personal life that you have given up for that, because I have given up my personal time with him. So we don't have these fights that you don't give.
That's why we keep traveling.
Yeah.
We've been to almost 37, 38 countries.
Yeah. Because we cannot give
For me,
daily
day off,
time.
for me, day off is just nikal jao yahan se, out of India. It's like, it's not that India is not beautiful. I don't want to see it. But I've kept it at a later part. Okay.
Calls.
But calls keep on
Calls.
coming. I don't feel like I mean,
It is
mainly time zone. Okay. If I'm in London, it's different time. It's must cool.
Yeah, but the thing is, we don't
That
have
is
this
pushed up.
daily time.
Yeah.
We don't have these, weekend pay we are as a family going out. So those things you have to actually give up, or also you have to be like कि चलता है ना, मतलब it's okay because we're growing together. Na?
To be a successful this thing, there has to be a 10 years of sleepless night.
Yeah.
I personally think that. I mean, absolutely. Success is not a 1 year, 2 year, one thing. It's a decade. 10 years, 20 years, what we are on. Okay. And it's, people always ask me, 120, what is next? Next means till I die, it's going to be a next.
There is going to be something new.
Because
something
it's in my
challenging.
blood only. It's not that I'm going to stop, we are going to stop. Never. Okay, whichever way, it's not only business or whatever. You keep on going. I mean, that is the only, that is life. I mean, yeah.
Correct.
So we don't have too much stress and all that we work.
Well, we
Because
don't analyze.
I love
We don't
to work.
analyze this. Are we a good couple, or we are having a great marital life, or we are a great business partners? We fight like husband and wife. We fight like business partners.
But
we have our disagreements.
But we have one team.
And then we have our agreements also.
We have one team.
Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
But that is the important. Although example, in IPL, if Virat and Kohli, I mean, if they're good, I mean,
Virat and Kohli.
Virat and no, I mean just Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. I mean to say, so both are. I mean, but that's finally when it comes to India, they play together.
Correct.
Even IPL, so small IPL, okay. I mean, this thing
Yeah, we also
that
have
keeps
our-
happening. But our what is final? It's Indian team, the same.
Exactly.
Only the matter is who is captain and who is vice captain.
I'm okay to be vice captain. I don't want to do all that. No.
I was so
actually,
happy in my consultations.
So we had built a big consultations actually already. So I was going to about 35-40 clinics, and literally, I'm not kidding, with that bag in the morning in the train, and it was very heavy bag because we were orthodontists. We are orthodontists. He used to go to 180 clinics. By then, I think during that time he was going to 110 clinics as a consultant. And then every Saturday, Sunday, he would go to Konkan to do his practice. Like he would travel from one small village to another village or towns, like that.
I had two drivers in shift wise.
Yeah, because
I
he
mean,
used to
I
he
never
used to
stood
leave
at
at
tire,
8.
but driver used to get tired.
He used
So
to,
we had
he
two
used to
drivers
leave
in
at
shift.
7:30, 8 in the morning, come back at 12, 1. That was his schedule. And I used to also do that, but okay, I had only 35 clinics, which I could manage in once में एक दिन में 2-3 clinic करके कभी. But then taking that bag and carrying, I was not really happy. And I had thought of Ortho Square when he had proposed, because we both were orthodontists, so it was Ortho.
Yeah.
Square was like, O raised to 2, so Ortho Square was there. And then also Square is a place where you get this kind of treatment. So, or you get that place. Square is a place, right? So
Square is a further place. I mean, what we say now, pizza square, whatever. So they ortho square. But again, in mathematics, ortho means orthodontist, ortho, and square is 2.
2. So we both
it's
were
double.
like double.
So a lot of people ask me, I mean,
My very
why unreal name?
yeah,
Actually,
and unique
it's successful because it's unreal name.
Well, it's not like a actual smile clinic or whatever. We were
All,
so that way we started.
all dental clinics, you can say 32, a smile, or something has to be there. It's unique.
So it was very different. So I told him once that I had prior experience of running clinics, because from 2006 to 2009 I was practicing.
She took a break.
2007 to 2009 I took a break. 2007 to 9 I had this experience of running clinic. I used to work morning, afternoon and evening shifts even that time, like as a BDS. 3 shifts I had. 3 alag places. I was working somewhere on incentives and somewhere on salaries. So I told him around October of 2012 that I can't do this. I can't travel like this. I need to be at stable one clinic. He was like, "No, clinic is a thing."
I couldn't believe that she will do.
Yeah.
So मैं बोला कि 3 साल हो गया, टच नहीं रहेगा रूट कैनाल इसमें. तो मैं लोकम कर. So she went to Vasai.
Vasai to his one of the doctors to do root canals.
He was on vacation. I said, "Do you mind? I mean, my wife will manage your clinic for 1 week."
1 week, 2 weeks.
1 week. So, okay, fine. Please go. Let's see. I mean, then she did all RC and all. I said, okay, then no problem.
Yeah.
Because that time money was little crunch because we didn't take any money from parents.
And we were just earning out of our practices, right? So
yeah.
That was a very difficult.
So consultation से जो पैसा उससे पूरा का
पूरा clinic डाल
दिया.
And literally we spent like
that time वो टाइम पे
full amount जो भी
वो
हमारे
टाइम पे
पास था.
बार्गेनिंग स्किल इतने डेवलप नहीं थे मेरे.
हमने एक चेयर खरीदी थी अराउंड 8
Derby Atlanta.
Derby Atlanta we bought for I don't know.
वो टाइम पे 3 लाख नहीं
पूरा
4 लाख
बाकी सारा
वो सब मिला के.
So which was very expensive in terms of we didn't know how to bargain for the chair and all of that. So in 2012 then finally he was like, I'll start the clinic. He was not there a part of clinic till almost 2014. 14 I got pregnant. That's when he started fully part नहीं था.
2015 December 16. After that I decided, after 2017 August we formed a private limited company. August. So that is an actual entry of Kunal Shet into Ortho.
Till then it was actually a proprietary fund run by me, and there were also fights like एक ही chair. He was like, अरे तू एक ही chair डाल. क्यों डालना तुझे? तू अकेले काम करे. मैंने बोला नहीं मुझे 2 ही chair चाहिए. And
she fought to start the Ortho Square. Then I fought to increase the Ortho Square. Our
family was very cool. If we talk only about parents and adults, My brother was very angry because none of our families had seen each other before marriage. So my brother was like, "Lan, if she's a burden to you, I keep her. Why are you just getting her married?" Like he shouted, blasted everybody. But then I called him. I was like, "Bhaiya, I like the boy. I have seen the boy. I have met the boy. I like the boy. That's why we are getting married." So marriage was very easy, frankly speaking, because I think we were of the age, we liked each other. Parents wanted to just like the families, and I think it was for us. We should not say that it was any filmy. It
I
was,
think, I mean, we can say it's not a pure love marriage.
yeah, it was love come arranged.
Love
Yeah.
from arrange only, because when
Because he proposed, and I was not in the mood of dating somebody, then fighting with family. I couldn't do
she's
that.
asking, if you're serious, speak to my dad. I said, just call.
That if you're ready for marriage, he was taken by a spot only because surprise as well. Because he thought कि हाँ एक साल dated करेंगे and then you
Um,
come to that marriage.
Actually, I mean, it's not like that. I thought कि, I mean, we will do it after. I had a plan कि वो कितने साल मेहनत की है, तो पोस्ट ग्रेड्स के बाद ना, मैं और मेरा एक जूनियर था, तो मैंने कि दोनों ना मस्त में बैचलर लाइफ एंजॉय करेंगे 1 साल या 6 महीना एटलीस्ट, प्रॉपर मस्त, पैसा रहेगा हाथ में सब कुछ, and then I'll get married. शादी पूरी ग्रेजुएशन क्या थीसिस के पहले का मतलब थीसिस सबमिट हुआ और शादी दिसंबर में हुई
So
उसके
they
बाद
thought my
but I
parents.
think that was the best decision
Yeah, we would
because
have.
we didn't waste our time when it comes to settle down. So once we finished, result आया उसके बाद
And literally, we both
Completely
would have
for
taken about
business.
10 days, 12 days of holidays during the wedding. I took 8 days. He took 6 days.
but ऐसे कुछ दिमाग में नहीं था कि ऑर्थोस्क्वायर बनाना है करके. It happened.
That when we started Ortho Square, when our friends, we had invited our friends, and our friends had started, like mine especially, because his friends were not in Mumbai at that point in time. So, many of my friends, and there was a very famous dentist besides us. He was, dentist to,
No.
likes of Bala Sahib Thackeray and all. So they were like, "You're opening the clinic. Besides that, who will come to you?"
Yeah.
So that was the first time when we were like, "Oh, we had to think all of that." We never thought. We just found the best place and we opened it.
मतलब
We must
उसमें
have
क्या है,
seen places
कौन है?
in Thane, Mira Road, then
Yeah,
Ville
yeah.
Parle. He didn't knew Ville Parle.
I didn't know what is विलेपार्ले. विलेपार्ले का वी भी नहीं पता था मुझे. Okay.
One of his friends said,
We
"तुम
should
लोग
stay
इतना
there,
उधर
sir."
क्यों देख रहे हो? अंधेरी विले
हाँ
पार्ले
तो
में
मेरा
देखो."
फ्रेंड है अंकुर, उसका अंधेरी में क्लिनिक है, बोला कि छोड़ने इधर पे आजा करके. मतलब पागल है क्या अंधेरी के आगे, मतलब I can't even think. It's like
हमारे पास
do
बजट नहीं
do
था.
this thing.
बजट ही नहीं था हमारे पास ना.
मैंने
वो
मीरा
उतना
रोड में ऑलमोस्ट ₹1,00,000 में क्लिनिक सेटअप लेने की बात भी की थी.
हाँ.
कोई
Cute सा जगह था.
ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट के अंदर एक सेटअप था छोटा, मैं बोला ले लेता हूँ,
Yeah.
चालू करता हूँ उधर से.
So
God,
we
God
never
had some
thought of
different plan.
competitions.
I mean,
So-
God has been kind. It's like I'm telling you purely, okay.
Yeah.
How much our hard work is there? Luck is very
Luck is
important.
very important. Totally.
Absolutely, luck is very important. I mean, I truly.
And we are thankful for that luck every day because I'm sure a lot of people are as serious as we are, and they would have
Talented.
given a lot of their personal time to.
Timing is also important today.
I think timing is also important.
Timing is very important. Your age is important. Your timing is. What energy we had before, now also we have the energy, but not that energy. That much risk-taking ability what we had then.
So when coming to that question, again that we are those people who actually discuss among each other and take decisions. Because now we are not somebody who analyzes a decision a lot. Like अगर हम decision में ही रुक जाएंगे तो good things will never happen.
I think I take the action first.
हाँ, and
And,
then
जो
we
होगा वो
think
बाद में
okay
देखा
अच्छा
जाएगा.
ये चीजें
अच्छा,
करेंगे.
ये क्लिनिक ही डालने हैं ना, पहले डाल देते हैं.
हाँ, फिर
और उसके
देखते
बाद
हैं
देखते हैं
कैसे चलाना.
कैसे चलने का. क्या होगा, 5 में से 1 हाथ बंद होगा, ठीक है, 4 पैसा कमा के दे देंगे. पॉसिबिलिटी मतलब आई डोंट टेक इट सो मच दिस थिंग. इन फैक्ट मुझे लगता है रिद्धि अभी मैं सोचने लगा हूँ
हाँ, अब हम
कि ये
ज्यादा
क्लिनिक
सोचेंगे.
चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा. मे बी हंगर थोड़ा कम हो गया.
समझ लो.
नो नो
नहीं होने दूंगी मैं कब. Yeah,
बोलो.
so, next question. I'll tell you one story. I'll tell you. This is something. This is a very he used to call me daily wage worker. Like because ना आज पैसा आया तो that way. क्योंकि क्लिनिक ऐसे ना कभी किसी दिन 100, किसी दिन 500, किसी दिन 1000, किसी दिन and we weren't doing any implants or you know, those big treatments. So हम लोग को उतना ही आता था, right? So there was this one day, and that I told him that please give me food, because ना मैं cook नहीं करती थी ज़्यादा, तो मैं ना कुछ खा लेती थी, because I used to come from Dahisar to Vilaypalli, so I used to leave at around 8:39 in the morning. So I was like, यार आज ना मेरे पास, I literally had no money that day, and he actually अकाउंट में होगा नहीं होगा वो जाने दे, बट इसके पॉकेट में भी, you know, 20 रुपया ही था. And he was driving me to Vilaypalli. He's like, that day he was like going to go to the consultation late, so he was driving me to Vilaypalli, and we came and we sat in the clinic opened. I said, दे दे चल 20 रुपए दे दे, मैं वड़ा पाव ले लूँगा. And and then this Pandit ji came on our doorstep, okay, and he's like, आज हनुमान जयंती है, दक्षिणा दे. I was like, दे दे. He's like, only we have 20 bucks. I was like, तू दे अभी जान दे. And he said, he told us that, you know, some vastu gyan that he gave, and that's when our belief in
not like
he
that.
said that हमारा south opening है.
नहीं
हाँ,
let me finish it. So 20 rupees दिया, तो वो जा गया. मैं बोला जा गया, मतलब मुफ्त का पैसा है क्या, ज्ञान तो देके जा.
बोले आशीर्वाद देके जाओ, ज्ञान देके जाओ,
जो भी बात करो कुछ तो करो, मतलब I mean सिग्नल पे भी अगर कोई ये देता है तो वो आशीर्वाद ऐसे देता है ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है, ब्लेसिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. तो बोला कि मैं आपको बताता हूँ, तो आपका ये क्लिनिक दक्षिण मुख है, तो यहाँ पे हनुमान की मूर्ति लगी, पंचमुखी
हनुमान जी की बैठी हुई अंदर.
आई थिंक 13 साल हो गए, वो अभी क्लीन शिफ्ट हो गया, वो भी वो एंट्री के यहाँ पे वैसे के वैसे ही है कंप्लीट. बट दैट इज अ डे दैट वी नेवर
look back. We have never. So I'm saying when it comes to blessings and luck, we always believe that, you know, we've been blessed. And that was like the lowest point of our life, when we had nothing, only the fuel in the car. And those struggles people have not seen. It's not like our families couldn't pay.
Lowest point of my life was my post graduation.
Forget that. There's not talk there. But when it comes to us together, I think that was the lowest point of our lives. And we've seen multiple challenges across, you know.
But it's part of journey.
Yeah, it's a part of journey, and we don't take.
It's a part of journey.
I
mean, it's a business, of course. It is. I mean,
there are going to be success, and there are going to be failures, and there are going to be challenges. There's a challenge every day.
Different challenge. You just have to face it.
Every day is a challenge.
It's not that I don't get peace, I don't get anger.
Everybody gets challenge.
It's a part of it.
लैब ने काम नहीं दिया.
That is small thing.
पूरी चेयर पूरा का पूरा कंप्रेसर कोई उठा के ले गया. पूरी क्लिनिक में, एक क्लिनिक में पूरा पानी भर गया.
आजकल का नया
कंप्रेसर्स ले, मतलब there is a like you're not even thinking of that expense and challenge, and it comes up. So daily is a challenge. It's a daily challenge. One doctor has achanak se got up and said that I will not come from tomorrow. Now the clinic is running on her.
Patients have a faith on
Orthosquare. So basically there are challenges daily, and daily we are dealing with.
We are also learning from that only. It's not like कि हम लोग strict हो रहे, जो भी action ले रहे हैं, जैसे भी business चला रहे, उससे हम mistake से ही तो improve हो रहे हैं.
So as we said that we always take an action first, and then we think about the consequences. No, but now we have channelized the thing. Pehle to we would just be blankly telling each other, and then we would have fight, and then all of that. Now we make sure that we understand the mood, and then
we have divided the departments also.
Orthosquare we have divided the departments.
When it comes to business,
we have divisions of departments.
Do not interfere in her department.
And I don't interfere in this. If there is a message also comes with his department related, I say that please go through Dr. Kunal. So that is actually, I think, which has set the business straight.
We eat, breathe, sleep, Orthosquare. You try to understand. If you don't give,
we decide, today we are not going to talk about Orthosquare in we end up.
That's it.
We decide time. So then but we also have very interesting talks. We talk about politics, movies.
We have two babies, Orthosquare and Twisha. Orthosquare is elder one, Twisha is younger one.
So personal disagreement ही कैसा है ना, हम लोग ने ना we know how to give.
Personal disagreement मतलब सुनना मुझे ही पड़ता है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
मैं बोल भी नहीं सकता.
झूठा. The thing is, see, if he's gone out, I don't call him. If he has told me and gone कि okay, I'm going now, and I'll be coming whatever time, I will never call and ask you whom you are, where you are. So that space. if I have to go out, I go on girls trip, or so I don't even
Out
ask
of
for
India.
him. Like I just tell him that we are going to go to Bali, all
Freedom.
of our friends. So that space and that trust that we have identified over years, it has not taken a day or two. It has been over a year. Initially, when we started, there was a time where sometime I would feel that Kunal, we need to actually work on the relationship also. But we realized over a period of time that that the space that we give each other is actually our time. So we are doing our personal things, like I like to play cricket, or I like to have those my girlfriends are there whom I go out with. He has his set of friends who meet, and all of that. So we have that kind of a thing also, and then we have this thing that we have to do
Common
together.
friends also we have that.
Yeah, and there are things that we have to do
See,
together.
to be very frank, we are such people. I have friends so less that I don't have to open my left hand also.
Yeah, and me too. Not so many.
And I'm so content. I'm those who are working with me, they are professionals. If you call a friend, that's it. I don't think so. At this level, I'm in this age.
And we are not
Even
somebody
our-
who like to go out in the night and
No,
party and all
we
that.
don't have much high social life or something.
Yeah, we don't
like
have
that.
zero social life.
No, actually, we don't go.
So
you
we
see,
do, and we are like
I
very
like to
content.
eat home food.
Yeah.
क्लिनिक यहाँ से 5 मिनट तो 5 मिनट पे है, मतलब फिर भी ये करते हैं. You don't believe if I go to travel to Delhi and ever, or even Bangalore and all that,
He tells
those
the
doctors homemade food लेके आते हैं मेरे लिए. Now at 40, I don't like to eat outside. I'm telling you upfront.
We like to come home to Twisha, spend time with
What
her.
you say? What you new face boring is a new this thing. Our life is boring.
But we're very happy with this boring
But
life.
मुझे boring की life चाहिए. मुझे
Netflix का
कोई
धंधा कैसे
चेंज
चले?
नहीं चाहिए. हाँ.
We recommend each other.
Yeah,
If you
we
see our
both-
Instagram, we
both
recommend each
are,
other what
movie
what.
fan, new
Yeah.
series fan.
So
We enjoy life.
that's there. Yeah. So personal life is like that.
मेरे नेचर में गिविंग अप ये वर्ड भी नहीं है. लाइफ में नहीं है. मैंने लाइफ में गिव अप नहीं
And
किया.
I
मैं
need
लाइफ
my
में
reset.
करूंगा भी नहीं.
And I
That's my
reset.
only motto in my life.
And see, the thing is now, there are times that we are taking these tough decisions, and so the thing is that we both are brutally honest to each other. Brutally means literally brutally. Like, say suppose if there is a decision that I feel it is not a correct decision, I will go and tell him that Doc, this is not a decision that is good for either for the company or for us. And if I am sometime in terms of anything, I'm upset with something and I go and tell him, then he'll be like, for your personal, say, let me take that word only, for your personal ego satisfaction, or for your that upsetness that you have, I should not call it as grudge, but that upsetness that you have, do you want to take an action against that? So we are very brutally honest with each other. That actually keeps us going. Of course, there are disagreements, and it is all going to be a part. And there are times that he sometimes
different
chooses
person.
Ortho Square over me, which I have learned to live with it, that way. So it's okay. We rarely say this story. Now we'll tell you out loud. So we started a second clinic, which was called Smile Square, with one of our friends. And we had our differences, and we had to,
Shut down within 2
Malab,
years.
she wanted to part ways.
It was in profit, not this.
She parted ways, and then we were like, we can't shut a clinic in just the starting of a year, So, and I was pregnant at that time. So he actually, frankly speaking, single-handedly, I also worked till 9 months, but I couldn't travel both places. With one doctor and him, we run this clinic for another year in no profit. He was like, no profit, no loss, no problem. But
Actually,
अपना नाम
I
नहीं
don't
खराब होगा.
realize, but again, that is a time I
Entered
learned
into
that how to manage with
two.
my consultations and 2 clinics with keeping a
Yeah.
doctor
Yeah, see?
running
See?
successfully.
See?
Okay.
Reflection. So that was one of the
So I was
first
multitasking.
learning, and we actually eventually ended up closing that clinic. And then I came to him and I said, I want to open a clinic in Dadar.
I said again.
It's like, you are not doing that. We are like, multiple clinics. I said, no, I want to open a clinic.
Up to first 2 clinics is hers.
No, why? Third भी मेरा ही है, Borivali.
मतलब इनिशियल थोड़े से पकड़ ले, 10 पकड़ ले सब मिला के.
नहीं नहीं, but see, giving him a vision, don't be ungrateful.
No.
ठीक है ना? तो that was our very big learning, and I feel anybody at our shoes would have been like कि we are not good at running multiple
That's
centers.
what you asked me, giving up.
We don't give up, and we took the learnings from there. कि what we did wrong there. How did we not able to and it was not very far. It was very easy to run, but we still couldn't. So
So one of the
failure is something that does not pull us down. It only brings us up because we reflect on it. कि why did we fail at this, and how are we going to correct? So I think that's today you now know how you know
Good.
to run clinic.